Today we visiting the Excavator, long arm customization factory. Provide one-stop customized service for long reach booms. Machines adopt advanced production equipment. It can be customized according to your machine model and working length. This is welding, polishing and painting process. All products are strictly tested before delivery. Secure packing completed, Excavator long arm is ready for delivery.